my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing some tips and tricks how to look best on the days when you don't feel like. A day like today when I had not taken a good sleep and I'm low on energy, this makeup is gonna be useful for me. I will be sharing some amazing makeup tricks so that your eyes start looking bigger, more energetic and less droopy. All the shades I'll be using in this video are neutral, so you can carry them to work or to your kids' school or for a brunch. This is gonna be an amazing look which will turn you into a radiant, luminous girl with a beautiful skin and juicy lips. So let's switch into the video. Further ado, let's get started.
First and foremost thing to prepare when doing a makeup on a tired day is your eyes. I'm using a Vino eye cream. Eyes are the first body part which shows the signs of tiredness, so you need a eye cream which will immediately negate those effects of tiredness, kill the puffiness, give you an eye which is relaxed, more moisturized and well prepared for makeup. Whenever you're working around your eye area, be always gentle because eye area is 7 times more sensitive than your face skin. Now I'm using a moisturizer. This is special moisturizer which is light in consistency but is super hydrating, and this hydration stays on my face for 24 hours. When you've not taken a proper sleep, your skin becomes dull. So to avoid those dull skin moments, you need a good moisturizer. That's what I'm doing here. After this, I'm using a primer from Smashbox. This is a radiant primer. This will instantly make my skin luminous and will prepare a beautiful base for the foundation and concealer. I'm using it around the T-zone generously and on my eyes. The days when you're tired, your eyes actually are creased, so there are high possibility that your makeup may get settled into these fine lines and crease. So always use a primer on your eyelid and under your eyelids. Once you're done with this, you need a strobing cream. I'm using Anastasia strobing cream. This is a beautiful strobing cream which is less greasy. I'm using all over my face again so that my skin doesn't look dull when I'm using foundation. It feels as if I've taken a good sleep and I'm eating healthy. That's why my skin is so radiant, youthful. This is what will camouflage your non-sleepy days and your unhealthy diet. Use a strobing cream, you'll have an instant healthy skin. Healthy skin to work so beautifully, mesmerizingly with the foundation. This foundation is from NARS Cosmetic called Radiant Foundation, and the concealer is also from NARS. These are the two best options for the days when you don't feel like best. They are actually so full of radiance, dewy. And now I'm working down with the foundation with a beauty sponge. This is a damp beauty sponge and I'm just blending it well into my skin. The nights when you've not slept well, you're feeling tired, you're not in a mood that you're feeling that you have that energy, try to avoid any mattifying products. Mattifying products actually make you look more dull. So always opt for dewy finish foundation, dewy finish, concealers. Now the concealer I'm using is just little bit dots around my eyes. When I'm using concealer, I'm working carefully in this innermost area because the innermost area of the eyes are darker on the days when you are low on energy and you don't sleep well. So always cover the innermost area near the tear duct, which is the darkest. I'm also putting it on my eyelid. Using concealer on eyelids and around my eyes will ensure there's no redness, there's no dark circles. My eyes are well lit and they become well open. Now I'm using a brush to blend my concealer. You have the option to use a brush or beauty sponge, whatever you're comfortable. I find brush more precise to work down on small areas around the eyes. That's why I use a brush. This is a flat concealer brush. After I blend my concealer, I would be setting it. For setting, I'm using a Bobbi Brown sheer powder. This is a loose powder. You have any option to set your under eye and the liquid products on your face, but my suggestion will be using a translucent powder or a sheer powder or a loose powder. They are less heavier than the compressed or a compact powder and that will give you less mattifying effect. This is a buffing brush from Tarte Cosmetic. I'll be setting my face with the same Bobbi Brown powder using this brush, and I would be coating very little bit of powder on my face so that my face doesn't become matte. I want this luminosity to still stay with me, so I'm just working now with it. Now anything excess under my eye I'm dusting off, because the days when you're tired, your eyes actually crease more. So you should never have a lot of powder under your eyes. After this, I'll be using this NARS Cosmetic cream blush called Orgasm. This is the best blush. I'll be using just tad bit on my cheeks. This is the best blush. Why I said this instantly gives you a natural color. Unlike those powder products which may make you look fake color on your face, this is one product, my go-to product to get that natural color back to my face. I'm just using on apple of the cheeks and dragging it a little bit towards my hairline so that my face look little slim, as these days I've gained so much of weight. After working down with the blush, we'll be working with bronzer. Yes, we are going to work with bronzer. This is a Too Faced bronzer. This has a little bit of finely milled shimmer in it. And I am not going to use contour. When you are tired, try to avoid any harsh line on your faces. Use bronzer. This will instantly give you that sun-kissed look, as if you've done a lot of workout and your face is all set to work energetically the whole day. I'm just using it on the usual points, hollow of the cheeks, jawline, and a little bit on the forehead. Forehead you can avoid if you have a narrow one. I have a little broader forehead, so I use it, and of course to camouflage that double chin. After you get some warmth back to your face, there's another secret thing I use. This is a powder that makes my face instantly luminous, instantly well brighten up, and this is from Hourglass. This is called Ambient Radiant or Dim Radiant. I'll mention the name in the description box. I'll just pat it all over my face, and this will also ensure there are no harsh lines, everything is well blended, and I'll show you the effect of this powder in a second. You could see my face is glowing like anything. I don't know, there's something to this powder. Now this is Anastasia's highlighter. I'll use it on the high parts of my face, the cheekbone and the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose. Of course, after this we'll be working on the eyes. Do you know the eyes show the most signs of tiredness? This hood, actually this is the hood which droops down. So this hoodedness has to be camouflaged when you've not taken the sleep. For this you have to pick a blending brush, small blending brush, and take an eyeshadow exactly same color of your face and blend it out in just 1/3 of your outermost corner, and move it up towards your hoodedness so that the hoodedness is camouflaged. Now hold your brush furthest from where you're comfortable. This is the easiest way to blend in your eyeshadow. Now if I'm not able to make you understand the hoodedness, see, this is the place where I'm trying to camouflage and I'm putting the color most. I'm not working anywhere else right now. I'm just trying and concentrating on my hoodedness that has appeared because of sleeplessness last night. Now I've taken a just clean fluffy brush. There's no product on it. Again, I'm trying to blend everything. There's absolutely no product in it. Whatever there is on the outer 1/3, I'm taking it towards the innermost corner using this clean brush. That's what I'm trying to do. This is a very easy look, and I'm just going to use one eyeshadow, and then I will show you how open my eyes will become. Now on a flat brush, I've taken the same eyeshadow and I'm patching it on the outermost corner. When I'm patching it, I'm not dragging it out, because the days when you're tired, never ever drag your eyeshadow outside. It will make your eyes look elongated but more tired. Avoid it. And then with a gel eyeliner, this is from Marc Jacobs. You can use any gel eyeliner. Draw a eyeliner very close to your upper waterline. Always use a gel eyeliner, because I'll tell you why in a moment. I am using this flat brush to blend, to make this eyeliner smudged out. That's why I said use a gel eyeliner. Never go for a water eyeliner when you are tired. I'm just trying to make this eyeliner little harsh by using a small flat brush. On this, I've used the same brown eyeshadow which I've used in the outer 1/3. To make your eyes instantly open up, use an eyeliner on the waterline which is of your skin color, and then just smoke the outermost 1/3 and the innermost 1/3, but do not smoke out your tear duct. Just use a brown eyeshadow on the outermost corner, and the other thing which is on my eye is the Hourglass powder. That's it. Now I'll prepare my eyelashes. Eyelashes I am first curling with Tarte Cosmetic eyelash curler wand. Then I'll just coat it with a mascara. Mascara you can choose of your choice. The mascara I am using right now is from Too Faced, called Better Than Sex, and you can see my eyes are so opened up. There you can see the clear comparison between the two eyes. The eye which I've done the makeup is looking bigger than the other one. After this, if you have to work down, you have to work with your eyebrows. Eyebrows, do you know, are the only lines on your face which can actually make your face look mean, sad, happy, or tired. If you make your arc too high, it will make you look mean. If you make it drooping, it may look like you are tired. So work well with your eyebrows. If you want to see a small video for 52 seconds, I've shared the link above. I've already done. Now you could see the difference between the eye which is prepared is so well open, on the left is so well open, awaken, and the eye, poor lady on the right, still needs to get that energy shot, still needs to be prepared, and I'll come up with a makeup for this. Now if you want to use an eyelash, I'll suggest use near to natural. If you use a heavy eyelash, it may create a shadow under your eyes and then it may look like you have a dark circle. Let me prepare the second eye and come back, and here I come. Now you could see the eyes are so well open, eyebrows are done. Last step for me, it is indeed a non-mandatory step, to set your eyebrow hair with an eyebrow gel. This you could do or you could avoid, but the step after this is lipstick, which you should not avoid, and I think you would never avoid. I'm using YSL lipstick with YSL gloss. These are the two best options which make me look so beautiful. Let me complete the look and show you how well open my eyes are, how well illuminated my face is, how well presentable I am looking. Isn't it an easy look? I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, kindly subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Until we meet next, take care. Bye bye.